In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Shein affiliate program. Open your browser and search for CJ affiliate. Navigate to cj.com and click on sign up. Select publisher option, which allows you to partner with various brands. Fill out required information in the application form, including your country, email address, passport, and verification that you are a robot. After submitting application, check your email inbox for verification message from CJ affiliate. Click on verification link in the email to confirm your email address. Once your email is verified, log in to your CJ affiliate account, review and accept terms and conditions to proceed with your application. In your CJ affiliate dashboard, navigate to account and then network profile. Fill out your network profile through providing details on how to plan to promote affiliate links. This tab is crucial for approval by affiliate programs. Click on Find Advertisers and search for Shein. Make sure to select All under Status filter to ensure Shein appears in the results. Click on Shein Profile and then hit the Apply button. Your application will undergo manually review by Shein. Spend some time to customize your profile, explaining how you intend to promote Shein's products, highlight any relevant experience, such as owning a website or having social media following. Shein will review your application based on information provided in your profile. If you approve, you will gain access to Shein affiliate program and you can start generating affiliate links to promote their products. Once you approve, navigate to Shein profile in your CJ affiliate dashboard. Read through your unique affiliate links, which you can use to promote Shein products and earn commissions.